Looking for the best mini ITX cases to suit your needs? In this video, we're diving into some of the top options available right now. Before we begin, don't forget to check out the links in the description to find the best deals within your budget. Let's get started. Number 5. Thermaltake Core V1 is our pick for the best budget mini ITX case, and it's perfect if you want a compact case that looks great and performs well. Designed for mini ITX motherboards, it balances both style and functionality. It has two USB 3.0 ports, plus headphone and mic jacks, making it easy to stay connected during long gaming sessions. Need space for storage? The Core V1 offers room for two 3.5-inch and two 2.5-inch internal bays, so you can store all your games, media, and maybe even a lot of cat videos. When things heat up during gaming, the Core V1 helps keep your components cool with a 200mm fan and room for two 80mm fans. You can even personalize the case with interchangeable side panels and an adjustable input-output panel. Looking to use powerful components? The Core V1 supports graphics cards up to 260mm and CPU coolers up to 140mm, made from sleek black alloy steel. The Thermaltake Core V1 isn't just a case, it's a chance to upgrade your gaming rig and show off your setup. Number 4. Fractal Design Ridge. Our pick for best console-style mini ITX case. If you're on the hunt for a compact case that seamlessly fuses style and function, the Fractal Design Ridge is calling your name. This snazzy little number channels the sleek aesthetics of your favorite gaming consoles, transforming your setup into a true masterpiece. Sure, it might feel a tad snug, like that favorite pair of jeans, but it doesn't skimp on performance. It fits up to 4 2.5 in SSDs or hard drives and welcomes graphics cards up to a whopping 325mm. Just remember to grab an SFX or SFXL power supply to make the magic happen. Worried about your rig overheating during those epic gaming marathons? Don't sweat it. The Ridge boasts perforated sides and a chic ventilated fabric front, ensuring optimal airflow and cooling. While top-of-the-line processors might crave a bit more room, you'll be thrilled with the two included Aspect 140mm pulse width modulation fans, keeping things chill. Compatible with mini ITX and mini DTX motherboards and boasting a 70mm CPU cooler clearance, the Ridge ticks all the boxes. Plus, with speedy USB 3.1 Gen 2 Type-C ports, you'll stay connected with ease. Weighing in at just 9.48 pounds, this case isn't merely a housing for your components. It's your ultimate portable gateway to gaming bliss. Ready to level up? The Fractal Design Ridge awaits your command. Still searching for the perfect mini ITX case? Well, don't throw in the towel just yet, we've got more coming your way. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe now and hit the bell icon to get notified when we drop new videos. You won't regret it. Number 3. Cooler Master Encore 100 Max Bronze. Our pick for best mini ITX case with included PSU and liquid cooler. If you're ready to take your PC building game to the next level, say hello to the Cooler Master Encore 100 Max Bronze. Your new best buddy in the world of mini ITX cases. This sleek powerhouse packs a punch in a compact 15.7L design, making assembly feel less like a wrestling match and more like a walk in the park. Forget those tangled cables and head-scratching maneuvers. This case is all about simplicity with thoughtfully pre-outed cables that let you build without the usual blood, sweat, and tears. The Encore 100 Max isn't just a pretty face. It's got serious versatility, boasting adjustable heights to accommodate GPUs from 155mm to 172mm. Yes, you heard that right. You're free to unleash some of the biggest and baddest graphics cards without sacrificing style or space. To top it all off, you'll receive an 850W SFX Gold ITX 3 power supply unit with custom length cables, because who doesn't love a neat and tidy setup? Add in a premium PCIe 4 riser cable, and you'll not only perform like a pro, but look like one, too. Constructed from a rugged mix of aluminum, alloy steel, and plastic, the Encore 100 Max is here for the long haul. Whether you're battling in the latest game or crunching those work deadlines. So embrace your unique gaming flair and let your build shine. Your epic PC journey starts now. Number 2. Fractal Design Terra. Our pick for best premium wood accent mini ITX case. If you're on the hunt for a compact yet chic home for your mini ITX build, then the Fractal design Terra is your new best friend. It's not just a case. It's a marriage of functionality and nature's charm. Constructed from robust metal, this 10.4L case holds a potent GPU up to 322 mm long, meaning you can flex your hardware muscle without cramping your style. But wait, there's more. The front panel showcases Forest Stewardship Council certified solid walnut. Because why not bring a slice of nature into your tech haven? You'll impress guests while keeping it sustainable. And let's not forget the sleek anodized aluminum exterior featuring a hefty 8mm thick aluminum front that says, "I'm not here to mess around." Flexibility. You bet. With 30mm of internal adjustability and a smoothly slidable wall, you can adjust your build like a pro. Plus, the front input-output panel is ready to impress with an aluminum power button and 2 USB ports, one of which is a speedy Type-C at 20 bits per second. So, why settle for ordinary when you can elevate your workspace with the Fractal design Terra? It meets all your tech demands while doubling as a stylish statement piece that shows off your flair for quality. Ready to level up? Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Number 1. Thermaltake Tower 100. Our pick for best mini ITX case overall. If you're on the hunt for the ultimate mini ITX case that marries style with functionality, the Thermaltake Tower 100 just might be your new best friend. This compact powerhouse doesn't just stand out. It stands tall as a modern homage to the celebrated Tower 900. Proving that fantastic performance can come in a petite package. Designed with 3 sleek 4mm thick tempered glass panels, the Tower 100 is not just a case, it's a showcase. Your components deserve a stylish display, and this beauty elevates the vibe of your workspace or gaming layer. With a Type-C port and 2 USB 3 ports on the input-output panel, you'll be zipping through connections faster than you can say upgrade. Worried about storage? Fret not. The Tower 100 accommodates up to 2 3.5 in hard disk drives or 4 2.5 in SSDs, plenty of room for all your games, projects, and cat videos. And those nifty brackets, they don't just look good, they add functionality and help you keep your drives organized. Plus, with 8 meticulously crafted dust filters, your setup will remain as clean as your gaming skills. In a sleek black finish, the mini tower form factor is the cherry on top. Whether you're slaying dragons or just binge-watching your favorite series, elevate your build with the Thermaltake Tower 100. It's the perfect blend of flair and function, just waiting for you to let your style shine. Music, whoa! We made it! That's a wrap. We hope you had a blast going through our list of best mini ITX cases. If so, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Also, let us know in the comments which mini ITX case you're planning to pick. Let's make it happen. Thanks for watching. We will see you in our next videos.